How do you know if your LBM01 is working right? Testing a new device? Or doubting your results? What should you do? Let the quality control card help you. The quality control card is used to check whether the meter provides correct test results. Press M button to turn off the meter. Before inserting the quality control card, you must press and hold the C button. Insert the card with the electrode area facing up into the measuring port. If you don't press C button when you insert the quality control card, the meter will show ER2. The meter performs adequately when control test falls within the ref range. If the result is within the ref range, the meter is working properly. If the result is out of ref range, please check again. If the result is still out of range, please contact with your customer service.